everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for the November 2024 Scrap Diva Designs release. Just to note that I didn't receive all of the November 2024 release, and some of them will arrive in December. Thank you, Erica, for sending me these cute dies. I'm looking forward to making some fun projects to share with all of you. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting November 1st, 2024, and get a 10% discount using the code PRISJAMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First, we have this Baking Spirits Bright Sentiment. It includes this really cute rolling pin with a heart in the middle. It also includes the stitching on the outline of the sentiment, as well as another layer, and it's great for all these different layering, and it's nice to put on your albums. Within your albums, you can make it into a card. It's so many possibilities. It measures approximately 3 5/8 of an inch wide by 3 inches high. Next, we have this gingerbread postage stamp. It comes in a large and a small. The large one measures approximately 1 3/4 inches high by 1 1/2 inches wide. The small one is approximately 1 1/4 inches wide by 1 3/8 of an inch high. And I'm looking forward to decorating these gingerbreads with a lot of Christmas embellishments, particularly these. I have like a whole bag of like embellishments, so like all these polymer clays. There's so many different possibilities. You could use icing to, like with Nouveau drops or something, to put the icing on it. It's going to be super fun making these stamps. And next up, we have this Gingerbread Purse gift box. This Gingerbread Purse gift box includes all of these door decorations and windows, and the coverings for the windows, as well as these pot holders, and the back looks like this, and it's really cute. And I'm just going to measure what is seen here. It's probably going to get smaller in size as we like assemble this, so but what's seen here is like approximately 6 3/8 of an inch. I think, yeah, like just this way is 6 3/8 of an inch, and then this way is like 5 inches, but it's probably gonna be shorter when we fold it, and there's many folding lines, so yeah. Next up, we have this picture frame Memorydex, and it's super cute because it's like scenic. There's this house on top of some hills and a tree, and the hills are here, and there's also a border frame for here, and you can use this separately as well, or you can put it on top of the Memorydex, so it's like multi-use, multi-purpose. And it includes this wording that says "Let It Snow," which is so cute. It's like so picturesque. And there's this tree, and yeah, you could like stamp out so many trees and put it in the background. It's just so cute with this like snow on the house. And let's see, what's this for? I'm thinking it's like snow for something on top of the words or something. It's very cute, and it measures approximately 4 inches wide by 3 3/8 inch high. Next up, we have this Gingerbread Bowl Set, and it looks like it's coming with a big and a medium size, and I think you could like just mix and match the way you want the bows. Like you could like add this one behind your bow, or you could even add this, or you don't have to add it. It's like so many different options and styles for you to mix and match, and it comes with this super cute gingerbread man and these little toppings, and there's layering on the bows, so there's like 2 different layered colors that you can use for it, and so it'll give it a pop, the coloring, and it's super neat. And it's gonna change in size once you fold it up, so I'm not really going to measure it really, but maybe the height of this, it's approximately 1 3/4 inches high, and the smaller one is about 1.5 inches high. And maybe I'll just measure the like length of this. It's like about 3 inches. And this one is like approximately 4 inches. Yes. And next up we have this candy cane gift box. It's so cute. It looks like there's 2 different sizes, a big one and a smaller one. This one's like a little bit chubbier, and this one looks like a little bit taller. And I'll just measure these ones. They're approximately 4 1/4 inches. Oh, 4 1/4 inches high by 3 1/4 inch wide. And the smaller one is about 2.5 inches wide by 4 1/4 inches high. And next up we have this Christmas bag topper in small and large. The small one measures approximately 3 1/4 inches wide by 2 inches high, and it's really cute because it has these reindeers and a sleigh, and also this is the bottom part of the sleigh, and it's layered, so it comes with this extra layering piece on it, which is really helpful. And it's so cute with these little stars at the bottom. The large one measures approximately 2 3/4 inches high by approximately 4 3/4 inches wide. And next up we have this Thanksgiving words, and there's 7 of them, and each of them says something different, and I'll read them out to you. One of them is thankful for you, Thanksgiving, hello fall, give thanks, warm hugs, autumn, and finally blessings. And it's really cute because this is different, because this is like my first time seeing a shadow background that has stitching on it, so it'll look super unique and different. And I'm just gonna measure the longest and biggest one for you to give you approximation of how big these are. They're like 5 inches long by 1 3/8 inch high. Next up we have this coffee mug gift pouch. Yes, it looks neat. It includes these flowers on there, and I believe these are some buttons for the pouch. Oh, there's also a face. So it could be, oh yes, it's part of the face, like the eyes and the nose probably. This is neat. And it has stitching on it, and it's approximately 5.5 inches wide by 5 6/8 inch high. Next up, we have this Apron mini album. It has many different styles you can use for here, and there's also a small one and a large one. And it's super cute because you can link this with a binder ring or some sort of ribbon. You can tie it together, and it could be like a recipe card. It could be anything. It doesn't always have to be a mini album. And so it gives you all these different choices of styles for the apron, and it's like super adorable. It includes this rolling pin and some other design elements for the apron. The apron, the bigger one, is approximately 5 inches high by 4 1/8 inch wide, and the smaller one is approximately 2 3/4 inches high by 2 1/4 inches wide. It's super cute, this little small one. And next up, we have this Christmas rosettes. There's so many different designs. There's like 3 of them. Look how cute this is. I love making rosettes. Don't know if you can see it. You'll probably have to cut these out like twice for each one if you want to make the rosette. This one's like measuring 6 inches long by 1 1/4 inches high, and the second one is also 6 inches long by 1 3/8 inch high, and this one is 2 inches high. And next up, we have these oven mitts set. Aren't they super duper cute? It comes with this pattern on the mitten set, as well as all these other elements to add on your mittens, which is super cute with this ribbons and hearts. So the large one is approximately 4 inches high by 3 inches wide. This medium one is 3 1/2 inches high by 2 and let's see here, 5/8 inch wide, and then the smaller one is 3 inches high by 2 1/4 inches wide. And here we have a Santa boot mini album. I'm just loving all these little decorations for the boot. It has these leaves and some flowers and bells. So many different options. And here's the buckle for the boot. And the boot measures approximately 5 inches high by 4 1/2 inches wide. And finally, this one was from the prior release. It was from October release, and I got this from Erica, and it's called the 3D Pumpkin Shaker Bag. It's super cute. I'm like looking forward to making this. The face and I love how it's a shaker. And I have these little pumpkin resin pieces that I'm thinking of putting in here. And look at the leaves, they're so pretty. And this one is approximately 5.5 inches wide by 4 1/4 inches high. Super cute. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you could get a 10% discount using the code PRESTRAMIC10. I'll list it in the description box below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!